Good morning, students. In our previous class, we were discussing the characteristics of the living things. Today, we are going to learn another characteristic of the living things, that is, they breathe. Living things need air to breathe. Air also helps them to get energy from the food they eat. Students, different living beings have different organs for breathing. To understand this in detail, let us first watch this video.
Breathing and animals. In this module, you will learn how different types of animals breathe. Sid has returned home after playing with his friends. He is breathing so heavily. It looks like he ran home immediately after playing. For breathing, as you already know, we all need air. Air enters inside our body through the nose. It then reaches the lungs with the help of windpipe that connects the nose to the lungs. Inside the lungs, there are numerous blood vessels. Through these blood vessels, gaseous exchange takes place between the lungs and blood. The oxygen moves from the lungs into the blood, while the blood releases carbon dioxide into the lungs. This carbon dioxide then moves from the lungs to the nose and then out of the body. Like human beings, all mammals such as cat, cow, and dog breathe with the help of their lungs. Apart from mammals, reptiles and birds also breathe through their lungs.
So children, we have seen that mammals like human beings, reptiles and birds breathe through their lungs. Now let us watch how aquatic animals breathe.
However, there are a number of animals that do not have lungs. They have some other organ for breathing. Let us look at the breathing organs in aquatic animals. Look at a fish. Since a fish lives in water, it has to take in oxygen that is dissolved in water. It has special organs called gills that help it to do that. Water enters inside the body of the fish through its mouth. When this water passes through the gills, the exchange of gas takes place between gills and water. The gills take in oxygen dissolved in water and release carbon dioxide. Like fish, tadpoles, prawns, and oysters also breathe through gills.
So children, we have seen that aquatic animals like fish, tadpole, prawns, they breathe through their gills. Children, you all know that tadpoles are the babies of the frog. But do you know that they both breathe differently? Now let us watch how frog breathes.
Now, let's look at the breathing organ of an amphibian. A frog is an amphibian. It lives both on land and in water. On land, it breathes through lungs, whereas in water, it breathes through its skin.
So children, you have seen in the video that an amphibian is an animal that lives both on land and in water. So frog is an amphibian. Frog breathes through his lungs on the land, whereas when in water it breathes through its skin. Okay. Now how does insects breathe?
Next, let us learn about breathing organs of insects. Insects have small holes on the sides of their body called spiracles. These spiracles are connected to a network of air tubes that reach to all the parts of their body. Air enters inside an insect's body through the spiracles and reaches to all parts of the body with the help of this network. Different body parts take in this oxygen and release carbon dioxide that moves out of the body through the same path. Now, that do not have special body parts for breathing. Instead, they breathe through their skin.
So children, we have observed that insects like cockroaches and grasshoppers have small holes on their body through which they breathe, and those holes are called spiracles. So children, that was all about how animals breathe. Now let us have a look how plants breathe. The leaf of the plant has tiny holes under it which are known as stomata. These tiny holes help air to pass through it and let the plant breathe. So we have learned that plant breathe through tiny holes called stomata. Okay, I hope you have understood it clearly. Thank you for the day. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you.